What did God provide as a substitute sacrifice in place of Isaac?
The Rome.
We want to do the Bible trivia. What are the wages of sin according to the Bible?
Death.
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
What did God use to destroy the earth during Noah's time?
Water.
No.
During?
Noah's time. No.
No.
Yes.
Flood.
Yes. Who was Jesus' earthly father?
Joseph.
Yes. Who was the man God allowed Satan to tempt? I repeat, who was the man God allowed Satan to tempt?
Ayub.
No.
Jesus.
Eh?
Jesus.
No.
Job.
Yes, Job. Who cut off Samson's hair?
Dalila.
Yes.
The Bible.
The Bible says that the Lord is our. The Bible says that the Lord is our.
Shepherd.
Yes. Sema na nguvu.
Shepherd.
Who was Jacob's brother?
Mayo, nimepatikana leo.
Patiana nyuma. Who was Jacob's brother? Esau. What city did Jonah preach to? What city did Jonah preach to?
Nineveh.
Yes, Nineveh. Who tricked his brother and received his blessings?
Who?
Who tricked his brother? Msi whisper nini? Who tricked his brother and received his blessing?
Jacob.
Yes. What was the name of Adam's and Eve that son?
Shem.
Sorry?
Shem.
No. How long did it rain during the great flood in the story of Noah?
41 days.
No.
40 days and 40 nights.
Yes. Who was Abraham's wife?
Sarah.
Yes. What was the other name of Red Sea? Peana microphone nyuma. What was the other name of the Red Sea? What was the other name of the Red Sea? What was the name of the other name of the Red Sea? Nimbaya.
The Red Sea.
No. Now the answer is Sea of Reeds. Sea of Reeds. What did God provide as a substitute sacrifice in place of Isaac?
The Rome.
Sheep. And the other name?
Goat.
No.
Sheep. A lamb.
Ram. Yes. Ram.
Yeah.
What? Where did Moses receive the 10 Commandments?
Wajethro.
No. But
Mount Sinai.
Mount Sinai. What does the word holy mean in Hebrew?
Hey, I'm not a Hebrew bwana.
Haya. What's the holy?
Sacred.
No. What does the name holy mean in Hebrew?
Clean.
No.
White.
No.
Yes.
No.
White.
Ni mbaya.
Ni mbaya.
Godera.
Godera ni mbaya pia hiyo. Mbaya. Haya. Answer is set apart or separate. What are the 7 deadly sins? What are the 7 deadly sins?
Not kill.
No, useme zote 7. What are the 7 deadly sins?
Stealing.
Kuna stealing.
Do not
Niwasome?
covet, do not commit adultery.
No, acha niwasome. Pride, greed, lust, envy, gluttony, wrath, and sloth. Which tribe of Israel was set apart to serve the priest in the incident of the Israelites?
Israelites.
Revi.
Eh?
Revi.
Yes, Levi. Good.
Sharp.